So can you help me? It's cold and I know it is. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Yung kuya nila. Oo. Ito.
Sa ngayon.
Compare noon. Oo. Hindi mo mag-stay dito yan kung ano.
Talaga? Gawin yung lifestyle niya dati.
Oo. Ang laking pinagbago.
Talaga?
Oo. Ha? Sige lang.
Bakit Marie? May tambing pa.
Oo. Yung kasama pala natin.
Ha? Oo. Lagi ka nandito? Ah! Hindi, kahit merong ilog, hindi, no? Sabagay, nandito ka na, parang tatamarid ka na rin, eh. No? Parang tayo, wala tayo sa SM, ng ganyan. Pero tatawarin ka kasi hindi na makikita mo. Wala naman pag